everybody, and welcome back to the Hacienda. Revit here. Today we're going to make something delicious. We're going to make my garlic mayonnaise. It's kind of like aioli, but it's not. It's different. And the fact that aioli is made with olive oil and lemon juice. In this case, I am utilizing 100% grape seed oil, and I am using apple cider vinegar instead of lemon juice. What I have here are 30 garlics. Actually, there's 32. And we're going to use sal de Ibiza, which is Spanish sea salt from Ibiza, and it's 100% natural. In Ibiza, they rake the ocean water into shallow ponds, let the ocean water evaporate, and what's left is 100% natural sea salt with all the minerals and all the tastiness that you want. So stick with me and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, first the garlic and the salt. That would be all the 32 garlic cloves and the 1 tablespoon salt. Okay, so now that the garlic and salt has been pureed very well, what we're going to do is turn this machine on, and then we're going to slowly add the vinegar and the oil to emulsify. And there you have it, deliciousness in a bowl. And you know me, I gotta have some heat to it, so we're going to add a little crushed red pepper flakes for color and flavor. And you can put this on your sandwiches, you can dip your chicken wings in it, you can put it on anything. It's delicious. And remember, 10 out of 10 vampires just like this recipe. Thanks for watching.